Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any of my videos. So we had ordered it from Amazon.in and the price of the laptop was around 65,000. Now this is how the packaging look like. Okay guys, now let's quickly unbox it. I'll provide the link of this laptop in description. And this is how the box look like. So let's quickly open the box. The box packing is pretty decent. On the top you have the main laptop, which is nicely packed. Let's remove the laptop and keep it aside. So let's check what else is there in the box. So you get a power cord and a charging adapter with some startup guides and a warranty card. And nothing else in the box. As you can see, the design of the laptop is kept quite simple. All the edges were smooth and overall build quality is good. And even the plastic quality used in this laptop is pretty decent. On the left there is an exhaust fan, a USB 3.0 and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back we have one USB Type-C port, one HDMI port, one USB 3.0 Type-A port, an Ethernet port and a charging port. There is one air exhaust fan and just one USB 3.0 Type-A port. This laptop has a 2 cooling fan. The lid has a black plastic with groove finish, whereas the interiors are matte black with some sort of rubberized finish. There was absolutely no problem in opening up the lid in one finger. 15.6-inch 1080p IPS panel with matte finish, and it also has a thin bezels around 8mm thick. This laptop comes with a single color backlit keyboard. Now this laptop is powered by 9th generation Intel i5 processor with graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. Even the booting time of the laptop is pretty quick thanks to that 256GB SSD. As they have made the bezels thin, they have kept the front camera at bottom. The display of this laptop can be tilted up to 180 degrees. Now this laptop works on 8GB RAM and 1TB HDD and 256GB SSD. It's powered by Windows 10 64-bit. It also shut down pretty fast. Thank you guys for watching my video.